Hi, this is Ann Scooby, and I am going to show you how to use StatCrunch to solve a problem on the central limit theorem. We are going to answer this question. Assume that weights of all adult females are normally distributed with a mean of 80 kilos and a standard deviation of 20 kilos. What percentage of individual adult females have weights less than 77 kilograms? And so that's the first question we are going to answer. The percentage of individual adult females with weights less than 77 kilograms is. Well, in order to figure that, let's go over to our question help and open up statistics or StatCrunch. Click on StatCrunch. And on StatCrunch, you're going to come up with a little square like this, and it says StatCrunch. And you are on the top, it says StatCrunch, Applets, Edit, Data, Stat, Graph, and Help. We are going to go over to Stat, S-T-A-T, and we are going to scroll down to Calculators. We're going to go over, and then we are going to go down to Normal. And that is going to show a normal distribution bell-shaped curve, and we are going to use this to solve our problem. So first thing we need to do is we want to find out the percentage of individual adult females with weights less than 77. So in order to use this program, we need to know the mean, which is 80, and we need to know the standard deviation of 20 because it is a normal standard distribution. So 80 and 20. So we're going to go down here to the mean, and we are going to get rid of that 0, and we're going to put 80. And we're going to go over to the standard deviation here, and we're going to put 20. The question is also asking us whether to figure out the percentage of individual adult females with weights less than 77. So we are going to make sure that the population X is less than 77. Now that we have all our information in, we are going to press compute, and it's going to show our curve, our shaded area of what is less than 77 kilograms. And it looks about right. And our answer is 0.440382231. The question wants to know percentage, so you need to multiply your answer by 100 and round to one decimal place. It's going to come up with 44.0. Let's put that in, make sure we're on the right track. Maximize so we can get this. Let's check our answer. And we are right. Now let's go to the second part of our problem. The percentage of samples of 25 adult females with mean weights less than 77 kilograms is. Now we have a different sort of question here. We want to know the percentage of samples. So the first thing we need to do is find the standard deviation of our sample means. And we have a sample of 25. So let's figure that out. And how we figure that out is you can take the standard deviation, 20, and we are going to divide it by the square root of our population, which is 25. And that is going to give us, with our technology, 20 divided by the square root of 25, we're going to get 4. So 4 is going to be our standard deviation, and we are going to take all the same mean, because the mean does not change no matter what size of our population, but our deviation does. So we're going to open up our StatCrunch again, which is down here, and we're going to change our standard deviation to 4, and we are going to change, what was the question again, less than 77, that's correct, and we're going to change nothing else, that's it, and we are going to compute. And that should come up now, this is with our different standard deviation, and less than 77, we have an answer of 0.2266. We're going to multiply this answer by 100 to get the percentage and go to one decimal place. And our answer is going to be 22.7 because we're going to round up. And then we're going to check our answer. And there we go.